Join me as I dive into the wild world of organic chemistry. Can I break it down for you in a way that actually makes sense? Organic chemistry is all about carbon-containing compounds. It's everywhere. In the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and even the medicines we take. This field is massive and impacts so many areas of science. It's also a big part of our daily lives. So let's explore this fascinating world together. People often think organic chemistry is super complex and only for geniuses. But that's just not true. Many believe it's irrelevant to their everyday lives. Another misconception is that it's all about memorizing formulas and reactions. I get it. That can feel overwhelming. But the truth is, understanding organic chemistry can be really useful. It helps us make sense of the world around us. And honestly, it can be pretty interesting too. Understanding organic chemistry is like learning to read a blueprint for molecules. Molecular structure is the foundation of everything we study in this field. Functional groups are the special parts of molecules that define their behavior. These groups determine how molecules interact and react with each other. Organic chemistry is crucial for creating life-saving medicines. It also plays a key role in developing innovative materials. And let's not forget its impact on agriculture and food production. So whether you're a student or just curious, dive into the world of organic chemistry. Did you know the most abundant organic compounds come from living things, and those formed over millions of years from the remains of the dead? In the past, we mainly knew about organic compounds from nature through essential oils distilled from plants. Alkaloids were also extracted from crushed plants using acid, revealing their hidden treasures. Take menthol for example. It's a well-known flavoring compound from the essential oil of spearmint. And then there's cis-jasmone, a beautiful perfume, distilled from jasmine flowers. These compounds connect us to nature in such a profound way. In agriculture, organic chemistry is our secret weapon for understanding how plants thrive. It helps us discover ways to make them stronger against diseases. This knowledge leads to better farming practices and ultimately more food on our tables. Imagine a world without organic chemistry. Many of our modern conveniences would vanish. So, let's appreciate the science that keeps our farms flourishing and our plates full. Hey there! Let's talk about organic chemistry for a second. It's not just some abstract science. It's super important. It helps us understand the world around us. Think about its role in medicine, agriculture, and materials science. These fields rely on organic chemistry every day. If you're curious about it or have thoughts, I want to hear from you. Drop your comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more cool science stuff.